Don't know what they're figuring out now. Got a guy in the gray shirt has a chainsaw though. If they're gonna cut the tree up, maybe. I don't have the slightest idea. There goes the guy driving the bulldozer back, probably to the bulldozer. No? Passing the bulldozer. He's going in the house. I thought maybe they were tearing down the house today. Hopefully they don't tear down the house, but well, I hear something starting up. There is the excavator, and I just sat on my camera, my other camera. Big heavy machinery. Not that. That's not big heavy machinery. That's a minivan. That's the big heavy machinery. The excavator that was taking down the Papa Ron's barn was made that look like a toy. It was excavator at Papa Ron's was as big as that house was. What are they doing? Think I'll move over a little bit, maybe? Wait and see what they're doing first. I can't pause on my tablet, I don't believe. No. Apparently not, so I think I'm gonna end this video, but I'll be back for more once something happens.